Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 68 Camaro Convertible with a big block in it, and there's a supercharger sitting on top of it. And that's right, the top goes down. It's mini tubbed with a Detroit Speed mini tub setup. The car is amazing and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna raise the hood, fire up that supercharged 454. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up, we'll fire this baby up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. That cowl hood covering up all that horsepower. Man, it looks sweet. And I tell you what, this paint is amazing. Now, it has got like, it's black, but it's got like a charcoal metallic buried in it. It's looking sweet. And that hood's fitting nice too. Nice and flush with the front fender. The line looks nice and straight. The line here on the door is looking great. The door lines up nice and flush. The stainless is looking good. Doors lining up nice here also. Even the buzzer's working. I'm gonna have to get the key out so I don't have to listen to that. Door panels in good shape. And I always check out the door jambs. Look how nice and clean all that is up in there. Beautiful. Good looking carpeting, good looking steering wheel, center console, staple shifter. We got seat belts in the rear here. Now it does have a Hartz Cloth top on it, and we are having a boot made for it. Because of the mini tub setup on this thing, we're having a custom boot made for that convertible top. All the dash is looking sweet. The dash pad looks good. All the paint work in there is looking sweet. We got all the gauges down there on the center console. Just an amazing ride. Big horsepower. We got good looking chrome on the rear bumper. Tail light. Bezels look good, the taillight lenses look great. Get the trunk open here and take a look. Of course, 50-50 chance I get it wrong every time. So this is the key, third time's a charm. Inside here, all cleaned up nice. They've made a nice carpet pad for it. Everything is coated in here, looking sweet. They've got a clear coat over everything, looking beautiful in here. All the paint work looks good. All the gutters here look good. The rubber's been replaced. The lips look good. And look down the side of that passenger side. Straight as can be. She is one beautiful hot rod, guys. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We spend the time to check the cars out before we buy them. We own every one of the cars. Right now we've got about 235 of them in stock, and we own every one of those cars. Now I'm involved in picking out every one of the cars here at Vanguard Motor Sales, and we're bringing in between 40 and 50 new units every month, so keep an eye on us. We've always got new stuff coming in. Now I've been doing this for about 35 years, and I'm going to put those 35 years to work for you picking out your dream car. Let's take the 68 Camaro for a ride. Beautiful day for a ride in the Camaro. Top down supercharger twirling. Listen to this baby. You want to talk about a beautiful sound? This thing has got a beautiful sound coming out of it. Man, it's making horsepower and it's making music. Now we can ship this Camaro anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-5555. 9513. Tom will explain how easy the process is to get this dream parked in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. Also, if you'd like help with financing, Tom can help you out with financing too. We got about 3 bankers we work with on financing. It goes quick and easy. They will take care of all the paperwork for you. No worries. Now look down here on the dash. We got the speedo working here. We got all the gauges you needed down here on the center console. Staple shifter. Now this car is radio delete. You don't need a radio because you got that beautiful music coming out of those tailpipes. This thing is sweet, guys. Sun shining. Let's head to the beach. Take this baby to any car show. I guarantee you, you're gonna be cranking heads around. Listen, I am just barely touching the accelerator. She has got a beautiful sound to her. Now we're right outside the Motor City. We're very close to the airport. Even though we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, we love to have visitors. So please, if you have the time, come visit. We'd love to show you this car or one of the rest of the cars we have in inventory. We keep over 200 cars in inventory at all times. Here's our joint right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street. We're gonna get it up in the air for you right now so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, check out that supercharged power. We're gonna show you everything you need to see. All right, we're underneath the Camaro now, and you can see it's got a brand new tank. It's got a Ford 9-inch. It's got Posi, right around the 373 gear, traction bars here, drum brakes out back, and the guys will pull those drum brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. Brand new exhaust, it's 3-inch. We got good looking floorboards. We got frame ties here, all welded into all the braces, looking sweet. Crossover pipe in the exhaust, jet coated headers, turbo 350 trans. Now we're gonna put a cover on here, so don't worry about that. That cover is being custom made. We got tubular lower control arms and upper control arms, coilover shocks, brand new ball joints, disc brakes up front. All that equipment looks like it's new. Cross members in good shape. Spoiler looks like it's brand new. Cross flow radiator. All the paint work here is looking sweet. We're gonna take a look at the wheels and tires now. These look like sticky Mickeys. Yep, they sure are. And it looks like, where's the size? Right there it is. These are 26 by 8s and a good looking American racing wheel. We'll work our way down the rocker here. Bottom side of the front fender looks good. The pinch weld on the rocker's looking sweet. You can see all those spot welds from that extra metal for the convertible. Looking sweet in there. You can still see them all. We got big rubber on the back. Very deep rim. Of course, it's the same good looking rim as on the front. And see if I can find the size back here. Looks like 26 by 12 inch by 15s out back here. Wheel lip moldings look good, and these are actually Cal-Tracs on the traction bars, and it looks like those frame ties are Hotchkis. Let's get under the hood and see what's making power. All right, under the hood here, we got 454 power. We got a B&M blower sitting on top. We got a big old Holley 4-barrel sitting on top there. That is a, it's got mechanical secondaries, dual feed. MSD's making the spark. We got the coil, the firebox, and the distributor, MSD wires, jet-coated headers. It's got a serpentine pelt driving that blower. The car does have power steering. It does have power brakes. Cross-flow radiator, brand new Delco battery. Firewalls nicely painted. Inner wheelhouses match the paint job on the rest of the car. You can see those tubular upper control arms there. Paint work on the bottom side of the hood looks just as nice as the top. This is an amazing ride, guys. And don't forget, the top goes down. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.